They're wild, they're dangerous, they came out at night. Stay away from them. These remarks about wolves we often hear, especially German shepherds, look like wolves, but they are not. All dogs have descended from wolves. Dogs separated from wolves between 15,000 to 40,000 years ago. No one knows how and when they became domesticated and became adorable companions we love so much. Something there was one domestication event, something there were multiple, and other thing they self domesticated. I agree with the last one. Regardless of when and how they found their way into our hearts and onto our couches, it is clear that our cuddle buddies are pretty different from their wild counterparts. But how? There are five major differences between our dogs and wolves. The first difference is that our dogs have wider frames, floppy ears, shorter snouts, and small tails than wolves do. Wolves have bigger paws, larger heads, and stronger teeth and jaws. Wolves are better for endurance. Our dogs at home are not, since they do not need to worry about their next meal in the wild. Floppy ears and shorter snouts are only present in wolf pups, but of those qualities go away as they grow up into themselves. Second difference is ability to be trained. Dogs are able to be trained to follow our commands. They love pleasing us and being rewarded for good behavior. Wolves can't be bothered to go through the same training as domesticated dogs. They don't have the patience for it, and they also don't have the same established relationship with us as dogs do. Third difference is problem solving. In studies, researchers have presented both wolves and dogs with problems to solve like a puzzle box. The wolves tackle the problems through trial and error, while the dogs look to their human companions for help. Wolves are also able to solve problems at a much younger age, since they mature faster in order to survive in the wild. Bonding on hormonal level. When we interact and bond with our dogs, both the brains and dog's brain release oxytocin. Oxytocin is a hormone that is connected to trust and maternal bonding. We are the only interspecies pair that connects that way. Our mammals, like wolves, only establish that relationship between mates or between the mother and pup. Fifth important difference is when we play with our dogs, it is for them to get exercise and entertainment. For wolves, playing with each other at a young age helps them to develop hunting skills and socialize with the pack. It enables them to test their limits and find their place within the pack structure. The differences between dogs and wolves stem from having different lifestyles. Wolves need to be survive in the wild, while our dogs need us to open the food packages. But there are still some similarities that both point back to their connection as a species thousands of years ago. Wolves form packs with each other, while we form packs with our dogs. We establish that same trust, although it comes out of a different need than survival in the wild. Who is your domesticated pet? Thanks. In my next video, I'll be telling you how to domesticate a wolf. See you around.